Hello, this is Ali LKP presenting the best for them. Car accidents is one of the most dangerous activities we, the people, do every day. And most people don't know this, but the more people that are on the road, the higher chance there is for you or I to get into an accident. Car accidents can lead to many dangerous injuries, but the most common injuries happen because of the whiplash effect. The whiplash effect is a rapid jerk motion of the head. It can cause a lot of different injuries to the neck, either misalignment or nerve to tissue damage that is around the neck. The pain that is left after the whiplash effect can be very brutal. Speaking from personal experience, it usually hurts like a pulsing pain, or sometimes, in worse conditions, like a sharp, stinging pain. On more severe whiplash effects, the pain can be very persistent, and over time, it might spread to different parts of the body, such as the lower back, the legs, or even the arms, as a tingly sensation. Chiropractors can be a very good choice in professions to go and seek help from. They are trained to treat these sort of conditions that the whiplash effect might leave people in, such as misalignments of the neck. Chiropractors do way more than that. They focus on making the patient much better, not just physically, but also mentally and spiritually. Chiropractic treatments usually start with a manipulation of the spine. Then a program is given to the patient of either stretches or workouts that can improve the patient's physical condition. One thing that patients misunderstood about chiropractors is that chiropractors cannot prescribe medications because they are not medical doctors. Medical doctors usually prescribe medications such as painkiller to people who are experiencing pain. Medications can be very dangerous to some people, and it's hard to see if a person is allergic to a medication before actually trying it. Another danger with it is that if not told what certain activities are prohibited for you to do, the painkillers will not help with it either. Those certain activities can damage the injury even more, and painkillers numb the area so the patient will not even know he is damaging the injury more. That is why chiropractic treatments are a better option. Chiropractic treatments can give almost instant results. After the treatment has been given to the patient can leave with the information that he needs, if it helped them or not. The chiropractor cannot give anything to the patient to cover up pain. So if the patient leaves feeling better, that is because of the treatment itself. And thousands of patients have a good experience from going to a chiropractor. Some went to medical doctors, physical therapists, have tried everything, and only chiropractors have worked for their situation. Well, that is my presentation. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you guys have a nice day.